You know, I've tried my hand at cooking one or two things in my time presenting on this show. And, you know, to be fair, I've been pretty darn good. But there's always room for improvement, which is why I've taken this wonderful opportunity to come here to the Chinese Cuisine Training Institute to attend a masterclass by a master chef. So, Christina, you're the PR manager for the Chinese Cuisine Training Institute here, which is beautiful, beautiful building. How long has it been open?
It was opened last year, December 12th.
Although there are training courses in Hong Kong, this seems to be the most comprehensive one.
Correct.
So students, only just started, so it's all very much kind of feeling your way through here. You said you've got 47 students you've got already.
At the moment, we have 48 students.
48 students. And they start on the first course, which is obviously the beginner's course. Is that right?
Yes, we offer progressive training programs for the trainees, and right now we just introduced the elementary level.
Right. Okay. So you've got the elementary level, but they've already got to be working as chefs to be accepted onto the elementary level. Is that right?
There are two kinds. We offer full-time course, and trainees attending full-time course will be beginners.
Right.
They might be graduated from high school.
I see. Right.
And for part-time courses, we accept in-service practicing chef.
All right, so they don't already have to be cooking to be accepted on the course.
Yes.
So what kind of styles of cooking? Is it all kinds of Chinese cooking that they do? They'll be taught in?
Oh yes, we teach them all kinds of cooking, because Chinese cuisine is a very varied way of cooking, and we offer them trainings in different provincial cuisines.
Right. Well, you know, I could enjoy this view for hours, but I understand that the students are waiting for me downstairs. I'm going to have a master class with Master Chef Mr. Wong, cooking shredded beef, which I am dying to do. So would you please lead on?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very
Please
much.
follow me.
I understand my friend Denny's creeped in as well. How do you do that? How exciting is this? Master Chef Wong. How are you doing? And we're doing a sautéed shredded beef, aren't we? My favourite. So, where did you learn his trade? In restaurants all over China?
Yes, he learned his training like in the old days. They had done by apprenticeships, and then he started 30 years ago as an apprentice and gradually worked his way to now.
Right. So you see, that looks so easy, and yet it's really dangerous unless you know what you're doing, isn't it? It's a beautiful way of cutting celery, I have to say.
Instructor Wong has been in the business for 30 years.
Absolutely. I mean, but he makes it look so easy, but it's. So this is the raw ingredients that we're slicing up here.
It's starting to demonstrate cook.
Sounds like the Starship Enterprise.
Yes, beam me up, Scotty.
我哋將啲牛肉咧黐咗生粉，然後咧就放入油裏面炸。
呢啲滾油嚟嘅。係。He put the beef with the starch sugar, and then what happened is that now he's going to put it in this wok. The oil has been heated up in a very high temperature, and he's going to deep fry them. When the beef is more or less ready, then we put the carrots, the sliced carrots in.
Right.
但係當呢個蘿蔔絲落嘅時候咧，要快脆啲。
點解要快脆啲咧？
如果唔係咧就會燶嘅。
Because when you put the carrots, you have to do it fast, or else it'll be overcooked.
Right. Okay. So we've deep fried the beef, fried the carrots very quickly. We put the garlic and the herbs in, a little bit of red pepper, and we put some rice wine.
跟住咧，
This is light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce.
Yeah.
羹半。
Just
one and a half spoon.
1.5 spoons, yeah. And this is chicken powder, you said?
Yes, chicken powder.
Chicken powder.
About 1 spoon.
About 1 spoon, yeah. Some sugar.
Yes, sugar.
跟住用湯羹4
a
full
soup spoon.
Right.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Now why so much sugar?
呢咁多糖咧？
因為呢個嘢咧甜少少咧，好開胃。
Oh, because it helps your digestion when you have a bit of sweet.
All right, sugar helps the digestion. That's right.
好啦，咁啲嘢放咗落嚟之後咧，我哋俾少少水落去，少少水。
A little bit of water.
Yeah, a bit of water.
Why is that? To stop it burning?
Oh, because without the water, all the soy sauce and the sugar will not melt.
Ah. Now the spring onion goes in. The rest of the dish. Now you made that look so easy, and yet I know this is beautifully and delicately spiced. I mean, oh, I mean, obviously that is the best I've ever tasted. And quite sweet to me with the sugar.
Yummy.
Marvelous.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I hope you got all that, guys. Did you watch that? Yeah. Round of applause for the master.